Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to continue to multiply polynomials together. In this case, we are going to be multiplying x squared minus 27 times x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. We have a binomial multiplied by a four-term polynomial, so I've drawn a 2 by 4 table to help us organize multiplying the terms. So I'm going to write x squared minus 27 up here. And on the side, I'm going to write x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay, and where the terms meet each other in each of these cells, I'm going to multiply them together. So where x cubed and x squared meet, I'm going to multiply those together, and I'm going to get x to the fifth. Remember, we add exponents when they have the same base. And then I'm going to do x cubed times negative 27. That's going to be negative 27 x cubed. I'm then going to do 2x squared times x squared. That's 2x to the fourth power. Then 2x squared times minus 27. That's minus 54x squared. Then negative 3x times x squared. That's going to be negative 3x cubed. Because remember, there's like an x to the first power here. Then negative 3x times negative 27, that's going to be positive 81x. Then 4 times x squared, that's going to be 4x squared. And then 4 times negative 27 is minus 108. Okay, so now I'm going to bring down the terms and combine them and cross them out as I go. So I'm going to start with x to the fifth. There's nothing like x to the fifth, so I'm just going to write x to the fifth there. And let's cross this off in a different color. So we've used that, so we'll cross it off. Next up, next highest power I have is actually x to the fourth here. So it's plus 2x to the fourth. So I'll write that down there. And we'll cross that one off. Okay, next I have x cubed. So I have a negative 27x cubed here and a negative 3x cubed there. If I combine those together, I get negative 30x cubed. So minus 30x cubed. And we'll cross both of those off. Then we have x squared. So we have a negative 54x squared here and a positive 4x squared here. I add those together, I get negative 50x squared, or minus 50x squared. And I will cross those off. Next up we have 81x. So we'll do plus 81x. And then we have minus 108. And we'll cross that one off. So once I've crossed everything off, I know that I've got my solution down here. Let's try and draw a box around this. So there we go. Our solution is x to the fifth plus 2x to the fourth minus 30x cubed minus 50x squared plus 81x minus 108. Okay, let's go down and check out one more problem. So if we go down here, now we're multiplying a binomial by a trinomial, but the binomial is x cubed minus x. So we're going to write x cubed here and minus x here. Okay, and then we're multiplying that by x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 3x. So x to the fourth times x cubed, that's going to be x to the seventh power. Then x to the fourth times minus x, that's going to be a minus x to the fifth power. Because remember, this has a 1 up here. And we're adding the exponents. Okay, negative 2x squared times x cubed is negative 2x to the fifth. A negative 2x squared times negative x is a positive 2x cubed. Three x, remember this is 3x to the first times x cubed is 3x to the fourth power. And 3x times negative x is negative 3x squared. So as with the previous problem, we will bring down the terms, combine them as we can, and then cross them off as we go. So first off, I'm going to start with x to the seventh. There's nothing like x to the seventh, so let's write that first, and let's cross it off. Okay, then we go down to the next highest power, which is x to the fifth. So we have a negative 2x to the fifth and a negative x to the fifth here. This is like negative 1x to the fifth, so that makes negative 3x to the fifths. And we'll cross that and that off. And next up we have x to the fourth. So this 3x to the fourth. So we're going to put plus 3x to the fourth. There, and cross that one off. And then after that we have next highest power is 2x cubed. So plus 2x cubed. Okay, and we will cross that one off. And then finally, we have minus 3x squared. And we will cross that off. Now that we have everything crossed off, we know we have our solution here. So let me just put a box around it. So our solution is x to the seventh minus 3x to the fifth plus 3x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was and you liked it, give it a like, and hopefully you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Have a good one. Bye.